I don't got to know my sister again. I don't pass you. Hey, look at you, Waka. Let's go and see my people. See my people. Chiduma, no only you feel like this. I nearly pass you.
I say.
And I tell you.
Say hi.
Say hi. Wow. See my people. See my people. Wow. Look at that come. You know easy. You know easy. You know easy. Look at that come. Hey. I don't even Sugar. Oh, buddy. Amanda.
How big you're looking.
Oh, no. How are you?
I'm fine.
Mona, you see sister? Your phone.
Sorry.
What your father? Okay.
See her, yeah.
Mama. You guys.
How are you, baby?
Ekele. Here I find direct. Life and direct.
How is Martin?
Life and
Greeting you.
How are you?
life and direct.
Hey, Baba.
And I greet Uncle.
See your brother.
Come the Larianya.
See your brother.
Meet my husband, junior sister. The one that only the Jennyce.
Jennycel.
Jennycel. Welcome, my love.
Thank you. Welcome to Nigeria.
How is Martin?
Wow.
Nigeria, Mama.
What is her name?
Chiamaka na. Chiamaka.
How are you?
I'm fine.
She don't talk well. She will talk past me. You guys are welcome.
Mama broke window.
Hey.
Mama broke window.
They no go believe her.
Okay.
Hey man, no, daddy. Okay. Wow. It's a beautiful day. It's really a beautiful day. Chiamaka. Chiamaka, no
You know you reach for now?
4 years.
Hey, how is Martin? And I welcome.
Thank you.
I just say,
almost 4 now.
I'm not now for this one now for.
Eh.
It can't top us for now. You see Nigeria?
Yeah, your phone is regular. Oh, sorry.
You see Nigeria?
Johnson.
Johnson, Chineke. Nane. Njagadi Kangara.
Wow, don't forget that his name. Say Jason. Okay, and your daughter, Jasmine. Oh, she's oh, very.
Boy.
Wow. If we compare, no. Yeah, chai. Oh, very. Johnson, Alpha. I get you. Happy Easter. Okay.
And I'm getting here.